Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Netflix search history. So let's say you want to erase those embarrassing late night searches or maybe simply tidy up your Netflix experience. This is how you can delete the search history by deleting your watch history. It's quick and also pretty easy. Now you can just head to your profile by clicking on My Netflix. Click on this drop down. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the account settings. Then just scroll down until you see the privacy and data settings. Go to the viewing activity. And now you can just here scroll down until you see the hide all options. Click on that. Click on yes to hide all your viewing activity, and this will also reset your search history on Netflix. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.